everyone. Thank you for watching. Real soon.
Hi everyone, we just wanted to say thank you. We've just hit 100 subscribers, and as a new YouTuber, that's really exciting. So we just want to make sure that we express our appreciation to each and every one of you who have subscribed, been watching our videos, been sharing them with their little ones, and whoever else you think would be benefit from the videos that we've been putting out. And I just want to make sure that if we haven't already subscribed to your YouTube channel, if you wouldn't mind just commenting below and letting us know that, because we want to make sure that we support those who have been supporting us. We want to make sure that we are up to date with each and every one of our subscribers if you have your own YouTube channel. So if you wouldn't mind just going ahead and commenting below, and I'll go through the comments and make sure that we visit your channel, see what you've got going on in your neck of the woods, and that we back and forth support each other, because I think that that's what's important with YouTube. That's one of the anywho, that's the awesome thing about YouTube, is the community. So we want to make sure that we subscribe back to you, that we support you in everything that you're doing, just like you're supporting us in everything that we're doing. So again, thank you for helping us reach 100 subscribers, and we'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Is it done? Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready? Special day today, and today we're making Minion slime. Here's what you need. You need glue, a spoon in the bowl, and paint, and laundry detergent. I also have my Minion. Do you like it? Here's what you do. You need both the glue and the bowl. You can use a little bit or a lot. You put a little bit of laundry in this laundry room inside it. And laundry detergent. Mix it together with a spoon. Is it done? Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready? I think it's ready. Look at it. Whoa, it feels sticky. Look at it. Mixing. Whatever color paint you want. I think yellow. Also use food coloring if you like. But keep in mind, because the yellow is for minions. Let's do it. And paint it inside. Paint it inside. Wow, look at it's getting yellow. Need some more. Mix it until it's like this. It's so sticky. It's out of the bowl, and now you can play with it. I put my minion in it. My minion is going to play in it. Oh, he's making French friends. Look, see, kids? See? He's stuck. He's eating them. Nom 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 nom. Delicious. My minion is eating it. He's gone. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? My minion is lost. Mommy, Minion is lost. Why won't get off my hand? I'm lost. I'm lost. Ah! Help me! Help me! I'm lost. Help! Help! Ah! Mommy, Minion is gone. Oh no, my hair! His goggles is right here. His goggles fell. Oh, look at it. The longer you wait, the sticky it gets. If it's too sticky, more laundry detergent. Add 2 sticky seconds, so I'm going to add more. A Minion too? It's a Minion. Hey kids, you like it? It's fine. After you're done playing with it, you can put it in the baggie. Stretch. Look at you, kids. It's going to break. Look. Easy slime. Want you see my finger? Thank you for the 100 subscribers. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.